Hi everyone, I'm Hongshu Wang, the project manager of China Biographical Database Project. In this video, you will learn how to install Anaconda. First, you can search Anaconda in any of your search engine, and then find the installation link in the Anaconda website, and click this installation, and then find your operation system, and then click this download the Anaconda installer. And then you can either register your information here, or you can also just click skip registration and then click download. After you download the file, then we can double click the installation package to install. And click next. I agree. Just me. And you can either keep this path or change to another path. I will create a new folder here named anaconda. Okay, yep, click next, and then you can keep everything as it was. And then click next, and then keep everything, click finish. After you see this window, which means you have successfully installed Anaconda.